morning starts the same old way. A voice in your head got something to say. It'll tell you you're stuck, tell you you're small, or it'll tell you get up. You ain't done it all. That voice don't care if it's right or wrong, it just grows roots if you let it stay long. What you think is what you become. Every road you walk, every race you run. Call yourself broken, you'll limp along. Call it a lesson, you'll come back strong. You can curse the rain or use it to grow. What you think is what you become, you know. You can wear the label, life's done me wrong. Carry that weight till your back bends strong. Blame every loss on fate or time, or sharpen the edge of a stubborn mind. Failure ain't a verdict, it's a clue, pointing straight at what you gotta do. What you think is what you become, a loaded gun or a callous thumb. Say you're a victim, that's where you'll stay. Say I'll learn, you'll find a way. You can sit in the dark or strike a flame. What you think is what you become. I've seen men fall and never stand, 'cause they shook hands with the word can't. I've seen others bleed, learn to fight, turn every wrong into a guiding light. The world don't bend, it don't pretend, but it'll meet you where your thinking ends. When you fail, don't bow your head. Ask yourself what the failure said. It ain't the end, it's a sharpened stone for building strength you didn't know you owned. What you think is what you become, a locked steel door or a kingdom won. If you think this pain is all you are, you'll never see how strong you are. Choose your words like seeds you sow. What you think is what you become. So mind that voice when the night comes down. It's either building you up or running you down. Life gives chances dressed as pain. Think like a grower, not a man in chains. In the end, it's simple, cold and true. What you think becomes you.